Hi everyone, today we're going to create these cute little monsters. We're going to use up some of the supplies you have and the kids are going to love them. So to get started, I'm going to cut about an 8-inch piece of yarn off my skein to be used in a few minutes. And then you're going to take and wrap around your fingers, or you can get a piece of cardboard that's about 4 inches wide, and I just wrap this about 60 to 75 times. The fuller you want it, the more times you wrap it. I have wrapped this 75 times, and then you're going to take and just cut it off the skein. Lay this down, take it off your fingers, and you're going to take that piece of yarn you cut in the beginning, place it in the middle. You're going to tie this right around the middle, very tight. And while you have it pulled tight, you're going to take your Synergy glue gun and stick it right there on the knot and tie it one more time. That will keep it secure, like that. Next, you're going to take your scissors and just put it through one end, and you're going to simply cut, and then you're going to cut the other end. Just put through all of those pieces that you wrapped and cut. And now you're going to fluff, and that's the beginning of your little monster. Next, you're going to want to take your fun foam and your heart die, which is 3.5 to 4 inches, and cut out hearts in different colors, and that is going to be the feet for your monster, but is also going to make your monster stand. And you'll also want to take the 1/2 inch die and cut out some little hearts. Once you have your hearts die cut, you're going to take and fluff your monster just a little bit more and determine which is the front and which is the back, and pick out the heart that you want to use for the feet. I'm going to use white. Then I'm going to take and apply a nice amount of glue on the tip part of the heart. We don't want any glue at the front where the feet are. And then you're just going to take your monster and stick on the heart. That's how easy it is. Next, you're going to apply some glue to the back of your wiggly eyes and place those where you want them. So there you have your 2 eyes on and you have your feet on. Now you're going to want some ears or antenna. So you're going to take a pipe cleaner, and I'm using white because I used white feet. And I'm just folding the pipe cleaner in half, and I'm going to use half of it. Now with my half of pipe cleaner, I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to open the top of the monster's head up a little bit, apply some glue to that folded end, and then I'm going to stick it down into my monster's head, just like that. Now I'm going to grab 2 little hearts and just add a bit of glue and attach those hearts to the end of the pipe cleaners, just for a cute little accent. You could glue anything you wanted on here. And just like that, you'll have these adorable little monsters.